Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how to uninstall your Faux Locs, this video is for you. I installed this Faux Locs in my last video and I used two different methods, okay? And I'm going to link the video to this one if you want to see how to install the Faux Locs. The first thing to do is to identify the area that was wrapped during the installation process. Take your scissors, then you insert the scissors beneath the wrapped area. Try to separate the wrapped area from your natural hair before cutting off the wrapped section. Once you have been able to identify the hair extension that was used to wrap the Faux Locs, go ahead to unravel the hair in the opposite direction. So the way you uninstall your Faux Locs is dependent on the way the locks was installed in the first place. If a crochet method was used to install yours, then you don't need to go through all of this process. All you just need to do is to lose the crochet from your cornrows. But if the individual box braid method was used to install your Faux Locs where hair extension was used to wrap the locks, then you have to go through this process in this video. I'm going to repeat the process for the second, third, and the fourth one, so just go ahead to watch the process, okay? Finally got into the last one, and this one was proving very difficult to uninstall because it's smaller in size when compared to the other ones, and the big scissors that I was using couldn't pass through the hair, so I had to use a tail comb to loosen the hair a little bit before using the scissors. After getting hold of the hair extension used to wrap the hair, I was able to unravel. For this last Faux Locs, I did install the hair by crocheting it at the base of the braids. So after unraveling the hair extension, I then had to loosen the locks from the base. Uninstalling Faux Locs, if you use the box braid method to install it, can be very daunting and it requires patience. I've seen situations where people mistakenly cut their hair in the process of trying to take out the Faux Locs. So yeah, it does require patience and you need to use your mirrors as well. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Ciao!